These AI story videos are exploding with views. Now you can create the same style in just one click. Watch this.
Too slow for this company. My pace. Marcus, I built the entire architecture of this platform.
What if you could create professional-looking videos in just a few minutes, even if you've never edited a video before? Today, we're taking a closer look at FlexClip, an AI-powered online video editor that's becoming increasingly popular among YouTubers, marketers, freelancers, and business owners. But is it actually worth your time and money, or is it just another AI tool with big promises? Let's find out. Welcome back to Digital Product Hustle. On this channel, I review digital tools, AI software, online platforms, and business resources to help you make smarter decisions before spending your money. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, consider subscribing, and let's get started. FlexClip is a cloud-based AI video editing platform that works directly inside your web browser. That means you don't need to install any heavy software or own a high-end computer to start editing. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok content, business advertisements, tutorials, presentations, or promotional videos, FlexClip offers a complete editing solution in one place. One thing I really like is how beginner-friendly the interface feels. Everything is organized clearly, making it easy for first-time users to jump in and start creating. Another feature I really like is FlexClip's template library. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can choose from over 6,000 professionally designed templates covering categories like business, marketing, YouTube intros, social media, slideshows, weddings, sports, promotions, and much more. Beyond the built-in AI tools, FlexClip also highlights its core AI features that can dramatically speed up the entire video creation process. You can generate complete videos from a simple prompt, an article, or even a web page URL using the AI video generator. If you need a voiceover, AI text-to-speech creates natural-sounding narration in just a few clicks. There's also an AI script generator that helps you quickly write scripts for YouTube videos, ads, or presentations. To save even more time, FlexClip includes AI background remover for both videos and images, AI auto subtitle to generate captions automatically, and an AI translator that makes it easy to create videos in multiple languages. Together, these AI tools help automate the most time-consuming parts of video production, allowing creators to focus more on creativity and less on manual editing. If you'd like to try FlexClip for yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. Feel free to check it out and see if it's the right tool for your workflow. Another thing that makes FlexClip powerful is its massive built-in resource library. It's designed to help you create videos faster without searching for assets elsewhere. You get over 4 million videos and photos, 3 million dynamic elements, 700 plus effects and filters, and 200 plus transitions, which gives you plenty of creative options to make your videos look more professional. What I also like is the one-click application system. Instead of manually building everything, you can quickly apply styles, elements, or effects and instantly upgrade your video. All of this is available for commercial use and is constantly updated, which is important if you're creating content regularly for YouTube, clients, or social media. And beyond the assets, FlexClip also gives you all the essential editing tools you actually need. You can easily trim, merge, reverse, or adjust the speed of your clips. You can also add subtitles, music, voiceovers, and text to keep your audience engaged. Finally, you can animate elements inside your project, which helps your video feel more dynamic and smooth instead of static. FlexClip isn't just about editing. It also makes collaboration and workflow much easier. You can work with teammates in the cloud, access your projects anytime, and export videos up to 4K quality, ready to share directly on social media. Inside the editor, you also get all the essential tools like trimming, cutting, adding text, music, effects, chroma key, screen recording, speed control, and even background removal, everything in one place. And what really stands out is its scale. Over 5 million users, more than 10 million videos created, and years of experience behind the platform, making it a trusted tool for creators, marketers, and businesses worldwide. After login, this is the FlexClip dashboard AI tools page, your main creative control center. You'll see a clean layout of AI-powered tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, text-to-image, and AI photo editor. Each tool is designed for a specific workflow, so you can quickly turn ideas into content without manual editing. At the top, you get fast access to the most used AI features, while the popular section shows trending templates and projects from other creators for inspiration. Now, let's open the FlexClip video editor. This is the main editing workspace, where you can create videos from scratch, or choose from 10,000 plus professional templates. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and lets you create high-quality videos in just a few clicks. This is the FlexClip home dashboard, where everything is organized in one place. On the left, you can quickly access your projects, templates, AI tools, brand kit, and cloud storage. At the top, you'll find FlexClip's most popular AI features, like AI Video Studio, text-to-speech, AI Avatar, Screen Recorder, and Long-to-Shorts. And below that, you can browse thousands of ready-made templates, making it easy to start creating professional videos in just a few clicks. If I click on the AI menu, you'll find a complete collection of AI-powered tools. They're neatly organized into video, image, and audio categories. Whether you want to generate videos, remove backgrounds, create subtitles, restore photos, generate AI music, clone voices, or convert text into speech, everything is available in one place. This makes it easy to access the right AI tool for almost any content creation task. You can also start with a blank video. Here, FlexClip lets you choose the perfect canvas size for your project, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or other platforms. You can also start with popular AI tools like AI Video Studio, Long to Shorts, AI Avatar, Text to Speech, or Screen Recorder. It makes starting a new project quick and easy, no matter what type of content you're creating. You can also create a complete YouTube long-form story video in just a few clicks using the text-to-video feature. Let me show you how it works. If you don't have a script yet, this feature is super helpful. I just typed, I want to start a new story channel, create a 5-minute revenge story for YouTube, clicked generate, and within seconds, the AI created a complete script for me. It only used 0.5 credits, which is really affordable for creating YouTube-ready scripts. And here we go. Within just a few seconds, the AI generated my complete 5-minute revenge story, and even split it into multiple scenes automatically. I really like this because every scene follows the story step by step, making it much easier to turn into a professional video. If I want, I can also edit any scene before moving on. Once everything looks good, I simply click next and continue with the video creation process. Now we're on the settings page where we can customize everything before generating the video. Since I'm creating an anime story, I selected AI image and chose the anime style as my media source. There are plenty of other styles available too, like cartoon, 3D cartoon, sci-fi anime, and watercolor, so you can easily match the style to your content. Next, I selected the video ratio. I'm making a YouTube video, so I chose 16:9, which is the perfect format for standard YouTube uploads. After that, I moved to the voice settings. I selected English, United States as the language, then picked the Andrew multilingual voice because it sounds clear and natural. You can also adjust the voice style, speed, and pitch to match the type of video you're creating. Finally, I enabled subtitles and chose a subtitle style that fits the video. Once everything was set up, I simply clicked generate and the AI started creating the complete video automatically. Now, let's see the final result. After waiting just a few minutes, the video is finally ready. Now, let's watch the final result. And honestly, I'm really impressed. Keep in mind, I only pasted a simple text script. There was no manual editing, no searching for stock footage, and no adding subtitles myself. FlexClip handled almost everything automatically. The AI selected matching visuals, generated a natural-sounding voiceover, added smooth transitions, and even included subtitles. Of course, if you want to make changes, you can easily edit every part of the video afterward, but as a first draft, it's surprisingly good. If you're planning to start a faceless YouTube channel, a storytelling channel, or even a motivational or educational channel, this feature can save you hours of work. Instead of spending an entire day editing just one video, you can generate multiple videos in a fraction of the time, and then fine-tune them before publishing.
You're just a ghost in the machine now. Goodbye. I watched him from the sidewalk, clutching a cardboard box of my life's work while he smiled for the cameras on the news. He thinks he won, Maya. He thinks I am just another developer he can step on to reach the top of the mountain. So what is the plan? You cannot sue him, Elias. His legal team will bury you before you...
Now, let's look at another feature that I think many creators will love, long to shorts. This tool is incredibly simple to use. Just copy the URL of any YouTube video and paste it into FlexClip. I'll use a random Mr. Beast video as an example. After processing for a short time, FlexClip automatically analyzes the video and identifies the most engaging moments. It then converts those highlights into short vertical videos that are perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. What's even better is that it can automatically generate subtitles, making the shorts much more engaging, without requiring extra editing. Instead of manually clipping videos and adding captions yourself, FlexClip does most of the work for you. For anyone who creates long-form content and wants to repurpose it into shorts, this is easily one of the most useful time-saving AI features available. And that's not all. FlexClip comes packed with a huge collection of AI tools. You can generate full videos from text, clone your own voice, create realistic AI voiceovers, convert blogs, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, and product URLs into videos, generate AI images and music, remove backgrounds, add automatic subtitles, translate videos, create AI avatars, turn long videos into shorts, and much more. So whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or business owner, you'll find almost everything you need in one platform. Now let's quickly talk about pricing. FlexClip offers both editor plans and one-time AI credits. If you're creating videos regularly, I'd recommend the editor plans because they include editing features and AI credits. But if you only use AI tools occasionally, the one-time AI credits are a great budget-friendly option. So whether you're a beginner or a professional creator, there's a plan for everyone. So that's my review of FlexClip. Overall, I think it's a powerful all-in-one AI video editor that's perfect for beginners, content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to create professional videos faster. If you'd like to try FlexClip for yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. Feel free to check it out and see if it's the right tool for your workflow. If this review helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Digital Product Hustle, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my future reviews on the latest AI tools and digital products. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.